Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling one of the most frustrating iPhone issues out there, the dreaded black screen of doom. You know the drill. Your iPhone won't turn on, won't respond, and you're panicking. But don't worry, I've got a super simple solution that'll have your device working again in no time. Meet Unlocker Plus Plus, the magic tool that's about to save your iPhone. This app specializes in fixing software glitches causing your screen to stay black without losing your data. Grab your USB cable and connect your iPhone to the computer. Press the Fix Now button right on the homepage. The app will automatically detect your iPhone and run a quick diagnostic. Once the progress bar hits 100%, you'll see a Repair Complete message. Disconnect your iPhone, hold the power button, and voila! Your screen should light up like nothing ever happened. The next thing you need to do is to simply head over to the pinned comments down below. There, I explain exactly where you can get Unlocker Plus Plus application. So, just head over to the pinned comments, leave a like if this method worked for you at the end, and that's it. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.